working in an asset-intensive industry? You're looking for a way to maintain your equipment based on their criticality? We at Westernacher, we understand that it is crucial for a maintenance supervisor to get risk, cost, and of course, performance balanced.
SAP's asset strategy and performance management solution assists you to reevaluate your maintenance strategies. Perform extensive risk and criticality assessments on every asset. Leverage from state-of-the-art methods to keep your assets in shape.
Imagine you could easily look into the health of your assets through real-time sensor data. By integrating predictive asset insights, you can not only monitor your assets, but also leverage from machine learning algorithms and advanced analytics to forecast asset behavior down to the minute.
Now let's think of asset management across company borders. Through the Asset Intelligence Network, you can exchange your data with original equipment manufacturers, service providers, and any other business partners to keep you up to date. Collaborate on spare parts, maintenance instructions, and design or technical drawings.
Push your asset management into a new era. Drive the change with SAP and Westernacher.